Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, two angles measuring A and B form a linear pair. Find A if B equals to phi A minus 20. We know that angles in a linear pair are supplementary. Linear pair are supplementary. So, sum of this measure A plus B is 180 degree. Now from given B is phi A minus 20, that is 180 degree. This is from given. So phi A plus A means 6A minus 20 is 180 degree. Now add both the sides by 20, we get 6A equals to 200. Divide both the sides by 6, we get A equals to 200 divided by 6 means 33.33 degree. Hence, measure of angle A is 33.33 degree. From available options, we have option A as 33.33 degree.